My name is Marlene Schiwy, and I'm the author of The Art of Creating Workshops for Women, a guide to facilitating soulful spaces, events, and retreats. For close to 4 decades, I've been offering a wide variety of workshops in Canada, the United States, and Europe that focus on writing and the expressive arts, with a significant Jungian component as well. For most of this time, these were in-person events, but once the pandemic struck, we moved onto Zoom, and I discovered that live online workshops can work beautifully with the wonderful benefit that women from all across the world can participate. I wrote this book in response to frequent comments and questions from younger women who told me they wanted to offer workshops of their own, but didn't know how to get started or how to create workshops with depth and substance. The book is arranged in 4 parts: before the workshop, creating workshop content, during the workshop, and after the workshop. My book covers all dimensions of designing and offering workshops and retreats, including practical and logistical aspects, recognizing good ideas and expanding them into rich and multifaceted events, creating content and choosing materials, determining the form and structure of your workshops, ensuring a sense of trust and safety in groups, designing a beautiful website, deciding on registration rates and getting the word out, dealing with challenging situations and participants, and many other nuts and bolts issues of workshop facilitation. There's also a substantial appendix with sample workshop templates, forms, workshop descriptions, guidelines for online workshops, and more. I've done my best to cover every aspect of offering rich and beautiful workshops and retreats that will inspire your participants and have them coming back for more. Whether you want to offer a one-day in-person workshop or a weekly series, an online program, or an international retreat, this book will serve as your trusty guide. The American theologian and writer Frederick Buechner wrote, "Vocation is the place where your deep gladness meets the world's deep hunger." I do think that a significant part of our calling as workshop leaders is to ask ourselves, what's happening in the world at this time? What's the world's deep hunger? And how can I be of service? As it happens, the publication of The Art of Creating Workshops for Women coincides with the making of a documentary that explores my own 40-year vocation as a workshop leader in greater depth, titled A Handcrafted Life. So if you or someone you know feels the call to offer workshops, this book can be your companion on the journey. I invite you to check it out, and if you have questions or comments, feel free to send me an email. You can order it directly from New Society Publishers, or request it from your local independent bookstore, or you can order it online. I hope that my book will inspire you to begin creating and offering workshops of your own that gather women into community, enrich and nurture their hearts and souls, and ignite their creative imaginations. Thank you for watching this.